Hey, Jake with B&H, and today we're talking about Sigma's first ever ultra telephoto zoom lens that is engineered specifically for full-frame mirrorless cameras. This is the Sigma Sport 150 to 600mm f5 to 6.3 DGDN OS. Ideal for wildlife, sports, and landscapes, this new Sport Design ultra telephoto lens comes equipped with a brand new optical design for superior rendering throughout the entire zoom range and all apertures, and it comes in an E mount and an L mount. The sports designation means it is specifically designed for everyday use in challenging conditions. A dust and splash resistant structure will protect the lens against water and dust, and a water and oil repellent coating on the front element resists moisture and fingerprints. Barrel construction consists of aluminum and thermally stable composite material for an ideal combination of toughness and improved portability. In fact, compared to the older DSLR version, this new lens is 26.8 ounces lighter and about an inch shorter. The updated optical design features 25 elements in 15 groups with 4 FLD and 2 ELD elements. Ghosting, flaring, and various types of aberrations are very well controlled, and out-of-focus areas are smooth and very attractive. It has a 9-blade rounded diaphragm for smooth, natural-looking bokeh. It even has a minimum focusing distance of less than 23 inches at the wide end of 150mm, which gives this lens just great versatility. The newly designed autofocus system offers both speed and precision by incorporating an AF actuator driven by a stepping motor as well as a high-precision magnetic sensor. This means faster and more accurate focus that is optimized for both photo and video capture. Optical image stabilization delivers approximately 4 stops of compensation with 2 standard OS modes for both handheld shooting and panning situations. Basically, this lens is perfect for sports and wildlife. Now, one of the biggest features has to be this new zoom torque switch that will give users the option to adjust the level of zoom ring resistance that they want. It has 3 positions. Lock will lock the barrel at the wide end for safe transport. Tight will prevent the dreaded zoom creep. And smooth position allows for easy, smooth push and pull zooming. Demanding users require practical and convenient features like this to make their jobs easier, and Sigma has made sure this new ultra telephoto fits the bill. Additional on-lens controls include a focus limiter switch, an OS mode switch, a custom switch for custom OS settings, and 3 customizable AFL buttons. The magnesium tripod socket has a removable foot and can rotate 90 degrees so you can quickly and easily switch to portrait mode. Sigma includes a large cover-type lens hood with a rubber front to protect from bumps and will help reduce flare and protect the front element. They also include a lens strap that users can attach to the lens barrel itself for easier transport. The entire kit comes in a large custom carry case for the lens that you can easily throw over your shoulder when not in use. It is quite remarkable that Sigma was able to fit all this glass into such a compact lens body and still retain incredible sharpness. This brand new flagship sports lens is aimed at photographers that need professional performance and quality at an affordable price point. The new optic design paired with the new AF stepping motor means you can go out and shoot confidently, while the new zoom torque switch will make sure users' experiences are more convenient and fun. What do you think of the new 150 to 600mm f6 to 6.3 DGDN OS Sport? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Jake with B&H. Just keep rolling.